Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting releases from Harley-Davidson, the 2025 Harley-Davidson WL. This modern classic is a bold revival of the legendary WL series, bringing vintage styling together with cutting-edge performance. A tribute to the past, Harley-Davidson has a rich history of producing iconic motorcycles, and the WL model holds a special place in its legacy. Originally introduced in the 1940s, the WL was widely used during World War II, known for its rugged design and dependability. The 2025 version pays tribute to that era with classic aesthetics while incorporating modern-day advancements. Retro styling with modern touches. The 2025 WL embraces a vintage look inspired by its wartime predecessor. It features a teardrop fuel tank, a sprung solo seat, and classic fender lines that echo the past. The round headlamp, wire-spoke wheels, and exposed frame elements give it an unmistakable retro charm. However, Harley has added subtle modern touches like LED lighting, an updated instrument cluster, and refined ergonomics to enhance comfort and usability. Performance and powertrain. While the original WL had a 45 cubic inch flathead engine, the 2025 version takes a leap forward with a Revolution Max 1250 engine. This liquid-cooled V-twin delivers a balance of power and efficiency, providing riders with strong torque and a smooth throttle response. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and advanced fuel injection, the WL is not just a showpiece, it's built for the road. Technology meets tradition. Harley-Davidson has carefully integrated modern technology without compromising the WL's vintage appeal. The bike features rider modes, ABS, traction control, and even a discrete TFT display that blends into the classic design. This combination ensures a safer and more adaptable riding experience while maintaining the essence of an old-school cruiser. Riding experience and comfort. The WL is designed for a comfortable yet engaging ride. Its low-slung frame, well-balanced suspension, and ergonomic handlebar positioning make it ideal for city cruising and highway journeys alike. The tuned exhaust system provides a deep, throaty rumble that Harley enthusiasts will appreciate, further enhancing the nostalgic feel. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson WL is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It's not just a tribute to the past, it's a statement of timeless craftsmanship reimagined for the modern era. Whether you're a vintage motorcycle lover or a Harley-Davidson fan looking for a unique ride, the WL is a machine that brings history to life with every twist of the throttle. Stay tuned to Turbo Rider for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe and keep the passion alive.